What's up, guys? Today we've been playing Fortnite Part 2 again. So guys, we've got Fortnite back again. Today we're playing on PC again, Part 2. This is like Part 2 of this, guys. So yeah, guys, okay. Right, let's launch it. Okay, it's running right now, so let's start it. Oh, okay. Starting right now. Alright guys, starting. So let's see if they have it in. Okay. Alright, let's see if it loads. Alright, let's see if it loads charts. Okay. Alright, so let's get that started. Alright, let's make sure that's popping up. Oh, okay, Fortnite's popping up, guys. Okay. Okay, digital. Okay, guys. Graphics diver. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I know the graphics are low. Very, very low. You won't be able to do it. Well, yeah, guys. Alright. Alright, so let's get started. We have like characters who don't. Oh, Doctor Strange! What? Doctor Strange? They added Doctor Strange? They added a Marvel character. Who is this? Alright, so yeah. Make sure it has to load. Okay, it's logging into my account. So yeah. Make sure like, subscribe, turn notifications. So let's hopefully we pray to God this game works. Let's see. Alright, it's back. Alright, guys, we are back and the game is lagging again. Okay, Doctor Strange. We got this girl, this person. Alright, we got items, Luca, Luca. Okay. I okay, my ex, I'll have to get a new one. Just go see the item shop, they have it. Okay guys, let's see if they have it. Okay guys. Oh, the item shop is expensive. Oh my gosh. Okay guys. Well, they're extra skins. Oh my gosh. I'm not buying these stuff. These are too expensive. You got music. Before you. Okay. Oh, it's okay. Okay. Alright guys, let's play. I can load in a game. Somebody, okay guys, yeah. Let's get ready guys. Make sure you're not lagging this game. You have to go here and wait for this stuff to be to the game to load. Right. Let's load. It's loading. Okay, emote. Okay. We press B to emote. Okay, so B to emote. B to speak industrial. Okay. Okay, got it. Left shift is for no right shift. It's right shift to crouch, and then left shift is for sprinting. Alright, I got this one. These are commands I follow. Alright, let's get to it. Okay, it's lagging a little bit, but I can still play it. Okay, we got some people here. Let's see if it waits for it to lag. Wait up. Okay, guys, this game is taking this thing is taking forever to load. Like, let's see if it's loading and why isn't it loading? Like, okay, guys. Okay, we got some people here. Oh my gosh, it's lagging. Okay, okay, let's see. I can move. It's a little laggy. Okay, me. Okay, okay. So let's see. Okay, I think it's not lagging that much, but uh, oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, we are lagging. Okay, guys, let's see. Maybe this can't no, die. I'm supposed to go here. Some guns here. So let's just go here. It's so my game's so laggy. Oh my gosh, it's so laggy. I'm so lagging, guys. I'm playing on a PC, so it's a little laggy. Oh, somebody just died. One of my teammates just died. Right, I gotta help them. Oh, we are lagging so hard in this game. Somebody just died. Alright, so everything's load. Okay, let's see. Okay, I am so laggy. Okay, okay, so you just press this. Okay, let's go here. Okay, I see somebody. Oh, I'm going backwards, guys. You're so laggy. My game is so laggy. My game is so laggy. Okay. Why am I so laggy? Okay, my graphics are so low. Okay, so there's a chest here. I see some chests here. Okay. Oh, guys, I don't know how to do this. I'm lagging. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys, I am lagging. What's wrong with my computer? It doesn't run on PC. Like, I don't know. Like, What is wrong with my computer? And I am lagging. My games are laggy. Laggy. I want to get that chest and I can't because I'm lagging. Computer's lagging. Just gonna try it. It's a little laggy. Okay. Oh. Okay, guys. We are too laggy. I should probably not play. I should never play Fortnite on a computer ever again because it's lagging. Oh my gosh. It's too laggy and I can't play it. It's too laggy. Graphics is too low. But why is it? Okay. Okay, guys. We are trying to come out of lagging. Why is it not working? My keyboards. I'm trying. It's not. It doesn't find it correctly on PC. I gotta fix my PC. So like, okay, does it run correctly? Oh. Okay, guys, let's go. Let's go tech support. We're gonna cut the video.